Today, I'll show you how to create this professional AI product advertisement completely free using powerful AI tools, step by step. Let's get started. First, use ChatGPT to generate a professional product image prompt for your advertisement. Now paste your prompt into Crea AI and generate high-quality product images. Choose the best result for your advertisement. Enhance your favorite image to improve sharpness, lighting, and product details, then download the final high-resolution version. Upload your enhanced image. Add a cinematic motion prompt, and let Hilo AI transform it into a professional product advertisement. Your AI product advertisement is ready. Review the final cinematic video, download it in high quality, and prepare it for the final editing step. Import your AI video into CapCut, add smooth transitions, captions, background music, and color enhancement to create a polished commercial. Your professional AI product advertisement is ready. Upload it to YouTube with thumbnail and description. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Unlocked for more practical AI tutorials.